Hi, I'm Stacia Alicia, aka Raw Boss, and this is
Kadeen, the fruit bee queen,
owner of Fruit Blossoms. So today we will be making, we will be making the seasoned dehydrated
plantains.
Right?
Plantains.
So as usual, it's a raw vegan recipe, all raw recipe. So Kadeen, I'm going to hand over to you because I can't wait to eat.
Didn't she just say we? So hold that. French, it was French?
I do speak a little bit of French. Oui.
Boy.
Cool.
So we know that plantains, you call it plantains, plantain, whatever you want to call it, but I know it's a Caribbean's favorite. Una like plantain, no bonnet. No bonnet. Ripe plantains. So you know guys, a lot of us don't like when our plantains are black or overripe. But trust me, this is the way we're going to use them today, and it is at its peakest, ripest state and the sweetest state as well. So we're gonna cut up some plantains right now. So if you didn't know how to cut a plantain, you're going now. You can just cut off the bottom and the top, and we're just gonna peel it off like that. Nice. And it can be eaten just like this. Nice and simple, right? So we're just going to slice this up. We can go like this. Or you can do it the long way if you want. Any way you prefer to slice it up. So we're just going in like this. Alright? And so I already had some pre-cut a lot of plantains because we love plantains around here, right, Stacia?
Oh, only when it's only when it's seasoned dehydrated.
So I'm going to put my gloves on because we're going to get into this plantain right here, and I don't like feeling all that on my hand.
Yeah, boy.
So let's get into this gloves. Measuring cups out, spoons out, because we're really going to, you know them say season to the fruit, season to the core, right? Because we're not dealing with anything else around here, right? So we're going in with some onions, and we have some red onions already prepared here. So I'm going in with about a half cup of onions. You know what? Let me dice up this a little bit finer for you. So persons who don't like the chunkiness of the seasoning, you can go finer. For persons who like it, you can leave it just the same. I prefer it a little bit finer. So we're just going in very nice and fine here. Should I make Stacia come do this? Don't it?
Yeah man, yeah man.
Alright. So there we have it. Nice and fine. I'm gonna throw this in our plantains here, and we're going in with some scallion. Some people say green onions, you know. We're going in with the scallion here. About, you can estimate an quarter cup or a half cup of scallion, because this is what gives it the flavor that you want. And again, no recipe is what? Complete without
For Kadeen.
garlic. So we're not gonna put too much in there. Alright, Stacia, not too much. 1/2 tablespoon. And 1 little teaspoon. Alright. We have sweet pepper. Now this is ripe sweet pepper because that's what we deal with, ripe and wholesome foods around here. Cool? Not the green ones. The green ones are filled with acid. It's very acidic. So we do it ripe. Cool? And sweet pepper gives your food a nice flavor. Again, we're going in just a little bit smaller because you want all the juices out. Let me just rest this over here. Nice and fine. I'm gonna put this in our plantains. And then we're going with some hot pepper. Not Stasia's favorite, it's pepper. No, we're not going to put a lot. Let's put a half tablespoon. You know, a little spice is good for life. A little spice.
Yeah, man. Spice it up.
Alright, we're spicing it up right now. And then we're going in with some dry seasoning. Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to put some basil leaf inside here. Some cilantro, dry basil leaf. And some thyme. Some thyme. This is French thyme. So if you don't have French thyme, you can always use your regular thyme. Thyme out there. And we're going in with some paprika. Not Stacia's favorite, but some black salt. And right. So here we go. So cilantro. Tablespoon, 2 tablespoons cilantro. We're going with some basil. Right? This is all natural. Paprika. Paprika is going to give your plantain some nice color. Yes, it's going to give it a nice color, rich color, and taste as well. And all paprika is grounded red peppers. We have some salt, black salt. Yeah, man, just about pinch of salt. Cool. And then we have some dried thyme here. Dried thyme. Tablespoon. Okay. Guys, this is smelling great already. So we're gonna take some fresh French thyme, about 3 or 4 of the leaves, and we're just gonna cut it up and put it inside. gonna get our hands dirty. We're gonna get in it. We're gonna massage it. Massage it in there. Massage it in it.
Nice.
Oh my God, this is almost orgasmic.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Yes. Get your hands in there. Don't be afraid.
Your hands in it.
Put your hands in it. Just a little more, right? Yeah, man. Yup.
Man. Yeah, man.
See that? This. And just like when you're cooking, you can taste it. Taste the seasoning. Not cooking around here. When you're preparing your food. When you're preparing your food. You know? We're just going to taste a little piece. Just do, you know? See if it need anything else. Perfect.
No sugar selected. It's never perfect. Well, yeah, we're doing perfect.
Then, all right. You can either let this sit and marinate a little bit, or you can just put it on your dehydrator tray. Put it right inside the dehydrator. So we're going to put it on the tray for you right now and stick it in that it can stay and dehydrate. We're going to put our seasoned plantains on our dehydrator tray, right? Tongue twisting thing here. And all it takes is for you to just lay it as close as possible. Get that seasoning in as close as possible. Just lay it on the tray like that. Tight. Not on top of each other, just beside each other, but you just want it tight because you want that seasoning to get right inside there. And again, be as creative as you will, because there are more than how many herbs out there you can use, right? And spices. You want to add some rosemary, add the rosemary. Add some cinnamon, you know? All those things. It's just look good, so. Yes. Stacia.
Let me come around and put this in the dehydrator tray for you.
Turn it on to 115. Good. Right, so we just placed our seasoned plantains in the dehydrator, and we set our dehydrator at 114. So we just set our dehydrator at 114 degrees, and we're gonna let that stay for about 8 to 9 hours, right? If you will, you can do it overnight. So you set it from the night before. By in the morning, your plantains are ready to turn. Find yourself around here. As something ready. Come on. we're going to taste this, right?
So this is the complete. This is after it's been dehydrated.
After it's been dehydrated overnight, then we have it like this.
Alright, let me try. Oh, but this is really kind of like candy.
Almost like candy. So if you leave it in long, you're gonna have like almost like a candy effect. But if not, you can have it softer if you don't want it like that. So the longer you leave it in, it's the more dehydrated it's going to be, and so you're going to have this chewy candy kind of vibe. Or if not, you can leave it soft.
So I have an idea. I want to try it with some cashew cheese sauce.
Stacia.
Bam!
No.
Let me try.
And if you try, I'm gonna try it. Let me see. Where are you going to from?
You want to try?
Sure.
Come if you're okay with the camera, come and try. Raw fam, member Tamika is going to try and she's going to be honest with us. So try it first by itself and then you try it with the
Oh. I like it.
Okay, try it with the cashew cheese sauce. Don't lie no, don't lie no.
I need to know from it.
We have it, we have it. We have it.
This is good.
Alright.
This is good.
Thank you, Tamika, so you know we're not telling a lie, right? So it was good. Yeah, so try it. Seasoned, dehydrated plantains.
And you know it don't taste like, you know, when you're planting overripe and it mushy and you really don't like it because Stacia don't like
I don't.
Like
Normally,
mushy.
I don't eat ripe plantains.
She's not normal. She's not normal, people.
This is the only
Everybody
time,
loves plantains.
This is the only time I eat ripe plantains, when it's seasoned and dehydrated.
By the fruit bee queen. By the fruit bee queen.
So thank you so much for watching, and if you try this recipe, let us know. Leave a comment and let us know, and let us know how it tastes after you try it. But I like it. Big up yourself, and we're out.